Purchasing the best product available is often a complex process. Our assistance is here to simplify it. Presented below are our 6 top recommendations, accompanied by detailed descriptions and pricing. SJCAM C200. The SJCAM C200 Action Camera stands as a testament to technological innovation, revolutionizing the realm of action videography. Equipped with an IPX8 waterproof rating, the SJCAM C200 Action Camera offers unparalleled aquatic exploration, allowing you to dive up to 40 meters underwater with the included housing or swim freely up to 5 meters without it. It's the ultimate companion for water sports enthusiasts, be it swimming, diving, snorkeling, surfing, or skiing, promising to capture your extraordinary underwater adventures with unmatched precision. Its ultra-compact dimensions of 2.71.31 inches and feather lightweight of 2.70 make it 30% smaller than conventional action cameras, all the while maintaining impeccable quality. Preserve every breathtaking moment in vivid 4K resolution. The SJCAM C200's robust metal body is engineered for durability and efficient heat dissipation, ensuring optimal performance in challenging conditions. The inclusion of additional accessories like a back clip frame and helmet mount adds to its versatility, whether you're cycling or utilizing it as a rearview camera. Featuring a 16-MP sensor and a 154-degree wide-angle lens, the SJCAM C200 captures a broad spectrum of the action with exceptional detail preservation. Enhanced features like face detection, versatile aspect ratios, and a 1.28-inch high-definition LCD display further elevate your viewing and shooting experience, making every moment memorable. DJI Osmo Action 3. DJI completely redesigned the 3rd iteration of these action cameras, and they are ready for seriously epic adventures. It's waterproof down to 52 feet without special housing and features a color temperature sensor to automatically adjust the color of your videos, even if you are deep below the surface while scuba diving. For activities on land, the cameras can function as cold as 4 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll be able to document even your freezing cold ski trip. And you can mount the camera vertically, meaning no cropping is required to create a social media-ready video. And for vloggers, the live stream support at multiple resolutions is a huge benefit. The DJI Osmo Action 3 can image stabilize 4K videos up to 120 FPS. DJI claims that there is no recording limit other than the promised 160-minute battery life when recording 4K 60p videos. So long, single takes are possible. It offers the equivalent of a 12.5-meter full-frame lens so that you can catch all of the action. The rock-steady stabilization does a great job of smoothing out videos. And the horizontal steady mode keeps your shots level and adjusts for any horizontal rotations. Unfortunately, photo resolutions is limited to 12 megapixels, but if your focus is vlogging, that likely won't matter as much anyway. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is an excellent action camera with some impressive features, but its image quality really stands out as a game changer for this brand. Priced and spec'd to compete with the best action cameras available today, it brings the fight to even long-standing lines like GoPro with its mix of performance and convenience. Along with its great quality video, it has a unique magnetic mounting system, which makes it super easy to get it set up and working. Whether you're filming from a tripod or just a conveniently placed metal surface, like your bike's handlebars or your helmet. Swap between locations in a flash with this quick and easy detach system, making the Osmo Action 4 incredibly versatile. The wide-angle lens gives it a great field of view, really capturing the action, and it can record up to 4K 120 FPS footage. It also has one of the most impressive waterproofing depths we've seen in any action camera. The standard camera can last up to 60 feet underwater, but if you put it in the waterproof case, it can go all the way down to 196 feet, more than enough for all but the deepest of divers. The battery lasts an impressive 2.5 hours, But better yet, you can recharge it to 80% in just 18 minutes, getting you back in the action quicker than ever before. Insta360 GO 3. If the GoPro Hero 11 Mini isn't small enough for you, the Insta360 GO 3 is the smallest action camera that comes. It weighs just 1.3 ounces, which is light enough to put on your hats and barely notice. The tiny size makes it feasible to put it in a location that you otherwise couldn't. This modular camera utilizes a unique magnetic mounting system that is fast and simple to use. The GO 3 tops out at 2.7K 30p videos, which is the main disadvantage of this camera, but if you just want to capture memories or share your action adventure on social media, 2.7K is more than enough. And there is no recording limit at that resolution, so you can record long takes. It also allows for 120 FPS when backing off the resolutions to 1080p, offering up slow-motion footage. And you'll have access to Insta360's impressive stabilization for smooth video. This tiny action camera is waterproof to 16 feet on its own. It comes with the new Action Pod, which, although it adds bulk, extends the battery life from 45 minutes to 170 minutes. It also adds 2.2-inch flip touchscreens, which is very convenient and adds versatility to the cameras. And it's all very easy to use, with simple controls and an AI editing tool to take most of the work out of your hands. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The new GoPro Hero 12. Black is the kind of solid piece of kit we've come to expect from a company that's been in the game for years. That created a problem for GoPro, with many customers happy to hang on to their current models rather than upgrade. So it will be hoping the latest versions will be attractive enough to prompt a wave of purchases among current owners, while at the same time attracting a bunch of first-time buyers too. GoPro has also shown some love for creators on vertical video platforms such as TikTok and YouTube Shorts, adding new 9:16 vertical capture modes and adding support for Bluetooth headsets for playbacks and recording. Interestingly, GoPro has chosen to add blue speckles to the casing, making it look as if it was previously owned by a painter and decorator. Fortunately, the designs aren't too distracting, and no doubt it'll appeal to some buyers. GoPro has even gotten around to adding 1/420 mounting threads, so now it can be easily attached to most camera tripods without the need for an adapter. The GoPro Hero 12 Black cost $400, though another $50 will get you a bunch of extras, such as an additional battery, a handheld monopod, a head straps, and a carrying case. AKASO Brave 4. With a built-in gyroscope for image stabilizations, AKASO's Brave 4 weighs in at 5.6 ounces. An upgrade from the EK7000, it features modes for 4K at 24 FPS, 2K at 30 FPS, and 1080p at 60 FPS. It's also produced 20 megapixel stills. With adjustable view angle at 70, 110, 140, and 170 degree, as well as a 100-foot depth ranges, this waterproof camera is an adventurer's dream. A Wi-Fi ranges up to 32 feet makes sharing and editing videos via the apps easy, while a 2-inch IPS screen allows for previewing. An HDMI port also allows you to connect to your televisions. Complete with diving modes, the Brave 4 also has a 5x zoom functions, and users have reported pleasing result from a multitude of depths. While recording in 1080p resolution, battery in the Brave 4 should last about 90 minutes or 60 in the 4K and 2K mode. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a lens protectors outside of the waterproof covers. Another downside of this model is the process of swapping batteries. The cover's hard to remove and isn't attached when opened, so it's easy to lose.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.